What's going on, everyone? Alex here with Affordable Aquariums. So last week I made a video on filtration, on picking out a filter for your aquarium and different types of filtration within your filter. And I talked a lot about cycling your tank. Now, cycling is not that complicated. You see a bunch of videos here on YouTube that get into the science of cycling your aquarium. But for beginners and just to get into the hobby, this is all you really need to know about cycling. You cycle for one reason, and one reason only. You cycle a tank to produce beneficial bacteria within your tank and your filtration system. That's it. Now, what does this beneficial bacteria do? Well, your fish excrete ammonia. The bacteria that we're producing in the cycling process take that ammonia and turn it into nitrites. That same bacteria in turn takes the nitrites and turns it into nitrates. And if you have a planted aquarium, the plants take in the nitrates as food. The amount of bacteria present in your aquarium is only going to be the size necessary to support the amount of ammonia being created by the fish present in your aquarium. In layman's terms, only enough bacteria will be there compared to the amount of food available. How do you go about doing this? There's three ways I know of. First way is to go out to your local hardware store, buy a bottle of pure ammonia, and add a few capfuls of that a day. Second way is to use feeder goldfish. Why feeder goldfish? Because it's the cheapest fish in the store. But at the same time, they're usually the unhealthiest fish in the store. Why? Because they're kept in mass numbers, they're kept in non-ideal conditions, and they contract diseases. So when you go to your local fish store, look at the feeder goldfish. Do they look healthy? Do they look active? Is the tank clean? And are there any dead fish in the aquarium? If they are healthy, they are active, the tank is clean, and there aren't any dead fish, it's probably a safe bet to use them to cycle your aquarium. Now, I actually keep a 20-gallon tank of feeder goldfish, specifically for the reason of cycling brand new aquariums. Why do I keep feeder goldfish? Well, I've raised these goldfish and I've quarantined them and I know they're healthy. I know they don't have any bacteria or parasites or diseases or fungi that could contaminate my brand new aquarium. So these little guys just stick around just in case I have another aquarium that I need to cycle. The third and final way I know of is to go out to your local fish store and buy actual bottles of this live beneficial bacteria. Add it to your aquarium, put a few goldfish in there to help feed this bacteria, give it about a week before adding your other fish to the aquarium. But that's it in a nutshell, and probably my shortest video, cycling your aquarium. Why and how? Why? Because you need that beneficial bacteria. How? A bottle of ammonia, feeder goldfish, or go out and buy it. Until next time, I'm Alex with Affordable Aquariums.